Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to register online birth certificate for newborn baby. First we need to open our web browser and write down here birth certificate Alberta for newborn baby. And now we need to click on our first link, register a birth. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can directly open through that link. Now scroll down and here you can see birth certificates. Click here online birth registry. Now we will start our form. Here you can see services, Canadian Child Benefits, social insurance number, order a birth certificate $40 each. To begin, answer following questions. Was your child born in Alberta? Yes. Have you already completed a paper registration of birth form for your child and left it with the hospital or other registry midwife? No. Have you already submitted your baby birth information through the online birth registry? No. Child date of birth. If your child date of birth is more than 1 year ago, please contact us. Now we fill randomly here date of birth of baby. Was the mother person who gave birth to the child is surrogate? No. Are you registering a birth for a child you are adopting? No. Will you need to record a name with more characters than are allowed as noted above? Child character not should be more than 68 characters. And now we click here no. Is this a single or multiple birth? We click here a single. If have two or more babies, then you need to click on multiple. Do you, the other parent or your child have monument? No. Who is registered this child? Mother parent who gave birth to the child and the father co-parent. Click here. And now we click next. Detail of a mother person who gave birth to the child. Now we fill all the information related to mother. Marital status for the mother person who gave birth to the child is legally married. Click here. Maiden last name in your birth certificate or the last name you used to enter the Canada. I just randomly fill here Jasper. Given name, first name and all middle name of the mother person who gave birth to the child. Do not include your last name in this field, like date of birth for the mother person who gave the birth to the child. I just fill here all the information just randomly. Place of birth for the mother person who gave birth to the child. I just fill here like Pune and country India. Contact information for the mother person who gave birth to the child. Date, time, phone number. I just randomly fill here. Your tracking number for this registration will be sent to this email address, like and confirm this email address. Usual home address for this mother person who gave birth to the child. Last name currently used by the mother person who gave the birth to the child used, and I just fill here. And is your usual address in Canada? Yes. Is your address in Alberta? Yes. And province Alberta, city Edmonton. Apartment number, I just randomly fill here. And three. Check this box if your mailing address is the same as your usual address. Click here. If you have a different mailing address, then you have need to fill other information. Declaration for the mother person who gave birth to the child. Check to authorized. Click here, and now we need to click next. Detail of father co-parent. Now we fill information related to father. Legal last name of father like Ashla, and given name, first name and the middle name of the father. Don't include here last name like, and sex of father male, date of birth like, and place of birth and city and country India. Declaration for father co-parent, and click here, and now we need to fill other information. Detail of child last name and given name, first name and middle name like, and child sex male, and child date of birth we just randomly fill here, and tell us where your child was born, in hospital, city Edmonton, and hospital. Request to a social insurance number. Please read this all the instructions very carefully and click here. Now you are ready to apply for SIN number. Here you can see the child name. Request Canadian child benefit. Click here and read all this information. And social insurance number for the person who gave birth. Here we fill mother social insurance number. I just randomly fill here. And now you can see the preview for your child birth certificate. And if all the information is correct, then you need to click here, everything is correct, otherwise you need to refill all the information, and click everything is correct, and next. Submit your child registration birth. Click here. Declaration of father co-parent, and here is the mother, and click here and submit registration. Thanks for your baby information has been successfully submitted for review. Tracking number, this is a tracking number, you can see here. And now we need to purchase certificate on Alberta service. Click here. Birth certificate, here you can see the charges, and now we start our form. Now we are ready for order form. About registry product, certificate detail, date of birth of person who gave birth and date of birth of child. Tracking number, this is our tracking number, and certificate with parent information and without information. Now you need to click here, parents information, certificate information. Registry agent, select registry and click on name. I just randomly fill here like Melbourne registry service, and you can see the address of registry and select. If you want, you can save for future, otherwise you submit this form. After submit the form, you can see order detail, you can see the order summary, and click on secure checkout. Here we pay for our order. We fill in card detail, enter the card name, number and date. You must accept all the term and condition for place the order. Finally, you are ready for order, and in few days you can receive your birth certificate. If you want to watch more videos related to forms, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.